We don't do yoga and we don't do meditation at our workshops. While both beneficial to our lives, this is about one of the most transcending experiences you could possibly have in this body and helping you align to your spirit. And that is no longer letting the current of your life be steered by the banks of the bankers. Instead, the most powerful thing you can do, the ability to put yourself in a position where you can live a very immensely practical life on or off grid, to allow yourself to do whatever you want physically and to give yourself the room to grow spiritually, is to build your own house. The skill set that comes with building your own house is like nothing else. That if you don't know this, if you've never lived in your own house without debt, it's hard to even describe to you the benefits of that. So while we're here on this earth, we've got our mind, we've got our body, and we've got our spirit, and they're all tied together, and yet they're all going different directions. And while we talk about escaping the matrix, some of us might try to do it in our mind, but there's nothing more practical and more realistic than actually start walking and stepping outside of the matrix. It's a lot like when you're not feeling good and you can force a smile for 20 seconds or a couple of minutes. You automatically begin to feel better. Your physiology leads your mind and your psychology. And building your own home is very much like that. Building your own home sets you free physically, but it also frees your spirit and mind to be more of what you truly are. So if this resonates with you, if you're considering taking a workshop, click the link below in the description and find out more about how you can attend one of these workshops, because while armchair surfing the internet and being the weekend warrior and learning things mentally, it's a whole nother level to actually do something and to invest in yourself in a way that can move you forward like nothing else can. And so I would encourage you to invest in yourself. Get these skills, get these abilities to truly start stepping out of the matrix, to truly let things begin to change in your life. And nothing can do this like a workshop can. Invest in yourself. Even have the discussion, reach out with me and talk about how you can create your own at-home business in addition to even working a regular job. This gives you the ability to deduct things like this workshop off of your taxes, in addition to a percentage of all your electric and utility bills at your home. So let's start moving forward. Let's get you to the place you truly want to be. I mean, do you truly love your job? Do you truly love where your life is? Or do you think maybe there could be more? Well, I'll tell you, there is a lot more, and the only way that you're going to get there is to begin making movement toward the direction you want to do, to align your thoughts and your actions and your spirit in a singular direction, and from there you'll be able to achieve anything. And from a place of having your own land and home from which you can live without any major expense, that springboards you into a place of absolute prosperity and abundance in your life, where you can even have the time to find out who you are, to discover your value and bring it out to the world, to pursue your spiritual direction, to truly align your physical body with your mental body, with your spiritual body. And when you do that, the true effect that you can have in the world is amazing. You know, often people want to, as some people jokingly say, to contemplate their navel button. You know, it's not that you can just escape this world into your mind. It's not about just escaping into the spirit world either. We are here. There is an importance and a meaning in this. There's a reason that we are physically here and mentally here, and our spirit, that is our true self, needs to come into alignment with that. There's a lot to learn here, and it's not about escaping. Let's align all of the aspects that make us who we are, and let's make some actual effectual, real change in the world.